Next. The next one is divisibility rule for 4. Okay children. Already in the last classes you have learned about divisibility by 2 and by 3. Now in this class we have to learn about divisibility rule for 4. Okay children. For divisibility rule for 4, what we have to see? See. Now I am giving one sum for you. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. What is the number I given here? 65,432. What is the number I given here? 65,432. Now, for this number we had to find out divisibility rule for 4. Okay children? Now see, for divisibility rule for 4 means what we had to see means the last two digits we had to divide. Okay children, do you understand? The last two digits we had to divide. What is the last two digits we got it here? 32. Now, 32 divided by 4. So, 2 digits means it is easy to find out whether it is divisible by 4 or not. Yes or no? In the 4 table, 32, how many times you are getting, Nana? How many times? 8. 1 4s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. 4 6s are 24. 4 7s are 28. 4 8s are 32. How many times you got it? 8 times. So how many times you got it, Nana? 8 times. So 8 4s are 32. 32 minus 32. How much? 0. So 4 in 4 table 32 is divisible? Yes. Means the total number 65,432 is also divisible by 4. Okay children, we should not divide full the number. We had to take only last two digits and we had to divide. Okay children. Now write here D4. S. It is divisible by 4. Okay. The total number 65,432 is divisible by 4. Okay children, do you understand? I am telling once again, see, for divisibility rule for 4, what we had to see? We had to take last two digits. Last two digits we had to take and we had to divide. What is the last two digits here they given? 32. That 32 we had to write here. Now in 4 table 32 how many times we got it? 8 times. So 32 how many times? 4 times. So 32 minus 32 minus 32 0. So it is divisible by 4. So yes, it is divisible by 4. We had to write. Okay children, do you understand? All of you note down. Again I am telling one more example for you. Now let us take one more example. 11,546. Okay children? 11,546. Here I given only 5 digit number. If you take 10 digit number, 20 digit number, any number you can take. But also we have to take only last two digits. Okay children? What is the last two digits we got it here? 46. Now divide with 4. 4 table 4 how many times? 1 time. 4. 4 minus 4 how much? 0. So 6 is there no? So carry down. So how much you got it here? 6. In 4 table 6 how many times you had to take? 1 time. So 4. 6 minus 4 how much? 2. So you got the remainder. Also no. Here we got remainder. So the total number is divisible by 4? No. It is not divisible by 4. Why? Because we got here remainder. Okay children, do you understand? So write here D4. The number 11,546 is not divisible by 4. Okay children, do you understand? The number 11,546 is not divisible by 4. Okay, shall I tell one more example? See. Take 6-digit number. Okay children? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. How many digit number it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is a 6-digit number. Okay children? For 6-digit number we had to find out whether it is divisible by 4 or not. Okay? Now what we had to see for divisible by 4, what we had to see Nana? We had to take last 2 digits. We had to take last 2 digits. So 10. What is the last 2 digits? 10. 10 we had to divide with 4. Okay children? 4. In 4 table 10 how many times? 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. So how many times 12 is more than 10. So that's why we had to take 8. 8 how many times we got it? 2 times. So 2. In 4 table 4 twos are how much? 8 minus. Why we are keep it in here minus? The repeated subtraction. The repeated subtraction is known as division. Okay children, do you understand? Now 10 minus 8. How much you got it here? 2. How much you got it here? 2. Now what is the remainder here? We got it 2. We didn't get 0. Means we got remainder, no? Then the total number is divisible by 4 or not? No. It is not divisible by 4. Why? Because here we got it remainder 2. Okay? So right here D4. The number 5,43,210. 5,43,210 is not divisible by 4. Okay children, do you understand? The number 5,43,210 is not divisible by 4. Why? Because here we got it remainder 2. Okay, do you understand? I think. Again I am telling one more example for you. Why I am telling? It is very important for you. That's why I am telling so many times for you. Okay, see. Okay Nana, what is the number I given here? 9,43,240. Now this number is divisible by 4 or not? See. Now what is the last 2 digits? 40. What is the last 2 digits Nana? 40. So divide with 4. In 4 table 40 how many times you got it? 10 times. So 40. So 40 minus 40 0. So here we got it 0 remainder. So the total number is also divisible by 4. So right here D4. The number 9,43,240 is divisible by 4. Okay children, do you understand? See, here you got it 40. So 40 we are getting in 4 table. So in 4 table 40 how many times you have to take? 10 times. So we got it here 0 remainder. We got 0 remainder. So the total number is also divisible by 4. Okay children, I think do you understand? Now in the last sections what I told? Divisible by 2. For 2 table what we had to see? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. What are the digits we had to get in the ones place? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If you get 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in the ones place, the total number is also divisible by 2. For 3 table, what is the rule for 3 table? The sum of the digits is the multiple of 3. The sum of the digits is the multiple of 3. What we had to do? We had to add all the numbers. By adding all the numbers, we get one answer. That must be multiple of 3. Okay, children? For 4 table, what is the rule for 4 table? We had to take last 2 digits. Those 2 digits must be divisible by 4. If you get remainder 0, then the total number is also divisible by 4. If you get remainder 1 or 5 or any number, then the total number is not divisible by 4. Okay, children, do you understand? I think. If you get any doubts, you can ask in the class. Okay, children, do you understand? I think.